Good morning, friends. Today is April 5th, 2021. I apologize that I'm not here for Number Corner today. I will be back tomorrow, and I know you will do an awesome job. So today will look a lot like a Wednesday, a lot of more independent work. After you write the date and number corner, press play again, but press pause while you're doing those things. All right, number one, we are going to draw the shape from our calendar piece and the lines of symmetry. Here is today's calendar piece. It looks like a bubble E. So next to number one, you're going to draw this shape, and then you're going to draw the lines of symmetry as well. Press pause if you need more time. All right, friends, we are on number two. Next to number two, you are going to write 5 addition equations that equal 5 and 5 subtraction equations that equal 5. Press pause until you are done with number 2. All right, friends, next to number 3, we are representing the number 134. We've been in school for 134 days. Please represent 134 with an addition equation that equals 134, a subtraction equation that equals 134, coins that have a value of $1.34, and your 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. Number 4, you are going to write 3 equations that are greater than 5. Please write 3 equations that are greater than 5. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. And our last job today is number 5. You're going to put a less than, equal, or greater than sign in the box. So 2 plus 7, box 10 minus 2. Please put a less than, equal, or greater sign in the box. Friends, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow.